one-day vaccination drive for all drivers as well as the general public had been conducted by one of the petrol pump owners of UMKALIAR locality in Shillong, SAMBORLANG, DIENGDOH. While speaking to Media Plus, the proprietor of Kre Jingim Lina service station, SAMBORLANG, DIENGDOH, said that he had approached the health department for the vaccination drive to be conducted at his petrol pump. He informed that the district administration had welcomed the suggestion that would greatly benefit the public at large. DIENGDOH added that after having been enlightened on the effectiveness of the vaccine, a good response to the initiative had been witnessed during the vaccination drive.
The main motive for doing this initiative is that we've seen that mostly drivers are frontliners, no? And especially the ones who are traveling interstate. The main reason why we are starting this vaccination drive from the outlet is because we want to help the government firstly with this vaccination thing that they're going on, and never before it has been done from the retail outlet from petrol pumps, whereby it is understood that mostly the drivers requires all this vaccination, especially those ROs of petrol pumps located in the highways, because it's understandable that the truckers coming and fill fuel in those pumps are mostly truckers who have traveled nook and corner of Northeast from one state to the other. So we want to promote this one. We want to also urge the other petrol pump owners that do take this initiative in collaboration with the health department, because this will really help in controlling this pandemic to a greater extent. Yeah, when I first shared this idea with the health department, the district administration, they were really pleased actually, because nobody has thought of this one. We've seen so many pumps in the state, but no petrol pump owner has come up to give this kind of a constructive suggestion to the government. When we give this one, actually, because we've already seen that apart from the health workers, apart from the police personnel, apart from the people who sits in the market and all, drivers are also one group which has to be targeted for getting the vaccination, because like I mentioned earlier, especially those truckers who are coming from interstate, they really need this for not only for themselves but for the wives, for the kids, and for the community as a whole. Not only drivers, even all the publics are coming, because prior to this, most of the public, they were hesitant to take this vaccine, but with passage of time, it was explained to them that this vaccine is actually this vaccine is actually it's an immune system booster. It boosts our immunity system. So this is exactly to help the public. Supposing if we are to get this COVID-19 also, but with this vaccination, it can help us to combat this COVID-19.